Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Happy Thursday to you. In today's video, I want to tell you about a scam alert. Just share a couple of tips to help you to be safe while you're looking for work-at-home jobs online. Also, I'm going to share with you a work-at-home job for a customer specialist that pays $70,000 to $90,000 a year. And also share with you some data entry jobs if you want to type from home. A lot of you all want to do that. Well, there's some data entry job opportunities that you can apply to, as well as how you can find even more legitimate data entry job opportunities. I want to start this video off first by saying thank you so much to the channel members right here. If you do join this channel, your icon or your personal profile photo, whatever you put there, will show up on my channel. So I want to just say thank you so much for your support. And remember, you can join this channel or you can subscribe to this channel. If you join the channel, I do share additional work-at-home job leads that you can apply to online. If you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell for notifications so that you will know when I upload a new video. And that way you'll be up to date with the latest work-at-home news. And you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up and liking this video, or you can give a thanks to support this channel. Thank you so much for everybody who takes time out of their day to watch these videos. And you can also let your friends and family know about some of the companies that are hiring people to work from home. Some people just need extra cash, maybe to pay groceries. Everything is increasing so much as far as inflation. So we need other avenues to help us to pay our bills or for extra cash or whatever it is. My job is to help you to find other ways to make money from home and even work from home if that is your goal and desire. So let me start off with this scam alert. So this is another Facebook group that I own. It's called Real Work From Home Jobs, along with Workers on Board Community. So someone posted this and they wanted some insight as far as if this opportunity was legitimate or if it's a scam. And, it seems first off to be legitimate. They received an application and they wanted to schedule an interview. But then when you look at the time of the interview, they wanted to do it at 10 p.m. There's no legitimate company that I know of that would have an interview with the potential candidate during off-business hours that late in the evening. I've never heard of that. So that's definitely a red flag. And of course, sometimes we don't know, and that's why it's good to be a part of a Facebook group or a community where you can ask people and they'll tell you the truth. They'll give you their honest feedback and opinion. And of course, someone did. And of course, she, didn't go through with that. But sometimes it's hard to know if what you've been presented, what someone has presented to you or offered you is a legitimate job opportunity or not. So how will you know? Sometimes you don't, and that's why I wrote some content. This is kind of old, but I do have newer content about work-at-home scams. I don't talk about it a lot, but when I come across some new ones or unknown ones that are not so popular, I do try to share it on this channel. And a lot of times, they kind of filter in. There's actually more scams than there are real legitimate work-at-home job opportunities. That's a statistic that is actually true. Believe it or not, there's more scams than legitimate job opportunities. But as more and more people look for work-at-home jobs on YouTube, they can kind of narrow through or cipher through these scam opportunities and find real companies that are hiring people to work from home. And as they kind of talk amongst themselves on social media, they can detect them. But these are some additional tips to help you to see if a job opportunity is a scam or not. And a lot of times if you're receiving a job offer and it sounds more like a sales pitch than a true work from home opportunity, you definitely want to research and search online before you actually follow up and communicate back with this potential employer. You also want to look at their email address to make sure it doesn't say any random email address, like a free one like at Yahoo or at Gmail, and it has their at company name. A lot of times that will help you to know. And then you can always search Glassdoor.com or even Google and look for that company name and read reviews to see what people have said about the company. They actually have real work-at-home jobs, and what kind of job opportunities they have, and how people, the rapport they have with their employees and all of that. Also, there's some other tips here. Don't give out your bank account information. Sometimes you will get hired to work for a company, and I've had this been presented to me before too, and they've been working there and they never got paid. So if they refuse to pay you, it could still be classified as a scam and stop working for them. So these are some additional tips. Like I said, you can read over that. I will link it below this video. And if you have been presented with this scam or come across this scam, there's some things you can do. You can file a report with the Federal Trade Commission or Internet Crimes Complaint Center. You can go to the Better Business Bureau and report it. Go to scam.com. You can also watch this video. Although it was made on my other channel, Workers on Board Insiders, this video is still relevant, and it will still help you to know if a company, there's some criteria that you can actually watch and look over that will help you to know if a company is legitimate or not. Also, there's a company that I mentioned in the very beginning of this video that still claims to offer work-at-home jobs, and it's a complete scam. So make sure you watch this video. There's another video too where a company claims to pay you $700 a week to mail envelopes from home, and I dissect all of that. This is just to help you to be safe online, so that you don't have to be a victim to anyone's schemes, or, have to suffer a loss financially. Now, on the weekly job page, there are some work-at-home jobs that I posted today. One of them that I wanted to share with you comes from Bonusly. They're looking for customer implementation specialists to work from home full-time, and they need people to help individuals with the onboarding process, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to help their customers go through the setup and launch for their businesses and all of that. And so what they're looking for is people who have 2 years experience implementing solutions for customers, that you can manage complex projects. You do have to have a deep knowledge of web technologies, be meticulous, and an excellent communicator. Now, the pay for this job is $70,000 to $90,000 a year, and they have a lot of benefits and perks that goes along with this opportunity. It's a really great paying work-at-home job. It is full-time, so if you're interested in doing this from home, make sure you apply online before that job gets filled. Also, another job opportunity, I like to highlight Vacasa because they have a lot of work-at-home job opportunities, and they don't require experience, and they hire in California, and they will supply you with your equipment, and they provide you with benefits, and they need people right now to assist guests with questions and concerns. You will also collect and process payments for reservations, and all they need from you is for you to possess good grammar skills, of course be a great communicator, can multitask, and be empathetic. A very entry-level job with hourly pay. Remember, they'll supply you with your equipment, and they hire in California and many other states, so definitely make sure you apply online. Another job that I wanted to share with you, if you're looking to do data entry from home, FundWorks, they are hiring in California. They need people to input all of their information and process data for them and create entries and be comfortable with numbers and all of that. So you do need strong verbal skills and can meet tight deadlines, and this job pays $16 to $18 per hour full-time with benefits provided. Now, this company, They also have data entry jobs, data dimensions, but this particular job is in customer support. But if you want a data entry job, you can just go to their find opportunities and then apply to their data entry positions. But I've noticed that some of them do require you to train on site for a little bit. So if you're looking for a 100% complete remote opportunity, then you can try some of these other jobs that I posted. That's why I didn't post the data entry job from Data Dimensions, but they do need people to work in customer support. You're going to solve their problems and help them answer questions and resolve issues for their customers. And this job requires you to be able to maintain confidential information. You do have to have basic computer knowledge and be engaging, and of course have good listening skills and high-speed internet connection. Now this job pays $17 an hour and it is full-time. So if you are looking for a customer service job, make sure you apply online. Also, there's another data entry job from eRepublic that you can apply to online. So today I just posted 2 data entry jobs. Of course, you can scroll down the page and find more, but you can also go here to our Facebook group, Workers on Board Community, and you will find a lot more data entry jobs. As you see, I'm seeing a lot more. So if you're specifically looking for data entry and that's something that you really want to do, you have to join our Facebook group, because there are so many more data entry jobs posted here, and that'll give you a greater chance of not just finding a data entry job but actually getting one. Sometimes you have to apply to a lot of companies in order to hear back from them and follow up with them. So if you need more data entry jobs, please join our Facebook community, our group. It's Workers on Board Community. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope this video was helpful. And again, I wanted to share this real quickly. I wrote a post yesterday about some ways you can make money from your smartphone. 11 different sites. Some companies will pay you to search the web and check on clients' websites, to write reviews, to gather information for brands and retailers, and review calls, all kinds of things. So definitely make sure you check out this post. It will help you to have some extra cash, maybe to pay your cell phone bill, a light bill, to, groceries are costing more and more, to help you with that, with the inflation in groceries and gas and all of that. So definitely make sure you check this post out. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to leave me those right below this video. And don't forget to join and subscribe to our newsletter. I'll be sending those out tomorrow with additional work at home job leads. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.